How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. The Nintendo Switch Lite comes in 3 different colors, including the yellow one, which we are doing the unboxing of today, and it also comes in turquoise as well as gray. There have been other release colors of it previously, and sometimes they do have special editions, but we'll take a look at the yellow one today. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is the actual box itself, and you can see some nice colors and display of it on the back and sides. This is the back of the actual device right there, which they do show you on the back of the box, interestingly enough. And then a little bit of a gameplay kind of scene on that side. But let's go ahead and actually unbox the Nintendo Switch Lite right here. We'll take that apart, and it's very easy to open up, and it will just slide right out just like that. And we'll flip this little piece up right here, move that kind of over, and let's take the actual Switch device out here, and we'll put that aside for a second. We'll take a look at that in a second, but first let's look at the other contents that are inside of the box right here. Your instruction, which we never really care about, and then the only other thing that we get included is the charger, and the charger is USB-C. Let's go ahead and take that out. Nice big brick. So this one looks like it's a high wattage one, so it's going to charge a little bit faster. And it is Nintendo branded, which is cool. And it is USB-C. So if you have any sort of USB-C chargers lying around in your house for a phone or any other device, it will also work with these. But I would recommend just using the standard one that's included within the box. Let's go ahead and look at the Switch itself. Comes in this nice little plastic right here, and we'll go ahead and take it right out of this plastic. There we go. And very, very cool. The one thing that I do really like about the Nintendo Switch when I first get my hands on it right now is it just feels very solid. With the Joy-Cons that remove on the regular Switch, it does feel a little bit wobbly at times. Very comfortable to feel, very nice to hold in the hand itself. Let's go ahead and look around the console itself. So we do have the USB-C charging port down here. We do have the 2 speakers right there as well. And then right at the bottom right here, you don't have the little kickstand because you can't take the Joy-Cons off and play with it. You have to hold it, so there's no need for that kickstand, but they do have still the micro SD slot right down there, so we can put in a micro SD card. I believe you can have up to 2 terabytes of micro SD included in this one, which is really, really cool. So we'll go ahead and throw that back on there. And there's the back of the console itself. We've got some little fans right here on the back, the nice Nintendo Switch branding, which is stamped right on there, and your buttons, which feel very, very good. If we look at the top of the console right here, we've got your buttons on the left and right side. And then right here, we've got your power switch right there, as well as your volume up and down, some more vents and stuff. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can plug in any sort of headphones that you have. And then here is your game cartridge slot, so we can just go ahead and pop a game right in there itself. So very, very nice compact device. And the one main difference with the Nintendo Switch, the regular Nintendo Switch, is you do have the joypad on here, which the other one you do have the buttons. So very, very cool. The controllers, the actual Joy-Cons and everything, joysticks, sorry, they do feel very, very good, very quality, solid feeling. Just an all-around great device, and I would just recommend getting a Switch Lite because the regular Nintendo Switch is just so hard to get your hands on at the moment. So Nintendo Switch, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this device, and I will link all the different colors, variations for you if you want to pick one up yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.